How to translate WhatsApp message to any language. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type Hi Translate. Now tap on the search. Now install the first application. Now wait for the application to install on your device. Now tap on Open. Now tap on Grant Permission. Now scroll down a bit. Tap on Hi Translate and enable this toggle. Go back. Now tap on Accept. Now tap on Hi Translate and enable this toggle. Now tap on Allow. Now go back to your home screen and open up your WhatsApp. Now open the chat. Now tap on the menu window. Now tap on Page. So by following this simple step, you can translate WhatsApp message to any language. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.